As someone that has written 23 books on AI and has worked with many of the biggest companies in the world, there's one thing for certain. AI is going to change every single job on the planet. What this means in practice is that AI is going to displace some jobs, but the vast majority of jobs will be augmented by AI. And AI is also going to create entirely new jobs. So let's break this down, because it can feel really scary, especially when you read headlines about potential job losses according to AI. So the way to think about this is to break jobs down into tasks. Think about a manager, for example. A manager has to analyze data, write reports. Some of this can be done by the AI. What the manager can then focus on is leadership, strategic thinking. In case of a doctor, for example, the AI can analyze scan images. It can record conversations. It can create reports. It can analyze family histories. So this leaves the doctor to focus on interpersonal communication, on complex decision making, all the things where we as humans can add real value. Another example is a software developer. So AI can now create pretty good computer code. What it can't do is to look at the entire systems architecture. It can't really help with defining the business problem the software is there to solve. So again, what we have here is lots of examples where the AI can perform certain tasks. What it means for you is that you need to figure out what this means for your own job. Which task the AI will be able to do, so you can then focus your career development on the tasks that the AI can't do. And there are parts of everyone's job that we don't particularly like. So we need to think about, can we pass some of these things that are not really the best use of our amazing human potential? Can we give some of those tasks to the AI? Now let's look at job displacement. This is where the really scary bit comes in. This is where an AI can perform the entire job you're there to do. Jobs are usually there to solve a problem. Let's take the job of an auditor. An auditor is there to verify financial transactions and make sure everything is in order. If you now get an AI to do this job, it won't just do the job as good as an auditor, it could actually do it better, because an AI can verify every single transaction that takes place in a business. Or let's look at a taxi driver. The problem they're solving is getting someone from A to B. Bring in AI and self-driving cars, and they're actually performing the entire task, solving the problem without the need of the taxi driver. So if this is the case, if you work in a job or an industry where you think the reason you exist, the problem you're solving, can soon be done by an AI, you have to seriously think about your career. You need to think about, can I help develop this AI that can displace my job in the future, or do I actually need to change career? And AI is also creating many new jobs. It is creating jobs, obviously, for AI specialists, people training AIs, people training people in AI skills, human AI collaborators, and even AI ethicists, because more companies are now looking at the ethical implications, the ethical application of AI in their business. And we're seeing huge rises in jobs and a huge demand, and demand actually outstripping supply in many of these jobs currently. So what's the action plan? The first step is to increase our awareness. We need to understand what AI is able to do today and over the coming years, and then really reflect on this to think about your own job. What task can I give to the AI that I don't really want to do? What task can the AI do that currently is a big part of my job? If you then realize that the AI is becoming so powerful that it could potentially threaten your entire jobs, then we need to evaluate those risks and really look at a potential career change. But then you also reflect on potential career opportunities. Where are new jobs being developed, and you might want to pivot your career towards one of those jobs. So wherever you are in this scenario, There are threats, but there are also huge opportunities for you to thrive in the age of AI.